Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Hola, ¿cómo estáis? So today we are going to learn about los verbos. So now los verbos. There are three types of verbs you have it in Spanish: AR, ER, IR. So los verbos. AR, ER, IR, and ahead with the irregular verbs. So today we are just going to do regular verbs. Okay. So after this we will do irregular verbs. Okay. Subject pronouns, that is yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas, ustedes. So you people can see it here. All the subject pronouns I have written here. Yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Just remember there is an accent on tú and there is an accent on él. That is important. Your. So that is adjective possessive. So just remember to put this accent here and the accent here. Otherwise it will become article down. Okay. Now coming on AR, ER, IR ending verbs. So how will you conjugate AR, ER, IR ending verbs? You will replace this AR with the O, as, a, amos, eyes, and. With the ER ending verb, you will replace it by O, is, a, amos, is, a. Now coming on IR ending verb, you will replace it by O, is, a, emos, is, a. So there is a change in this verb. Mr. Nostras में it will change emos or is हो जाएगा. Otherwise it is same like ER ending verb. Okay. Now why will you conjugate verbs? In languages we do conjugate verbs. Now we have two types of verb. एक तो होती है regular verbs, एक होती है irregular verbs. Now what happened between regular and irregular verbs? जो same pattern follow करती है. Change in regular verbs. What will you do? You will see AR से end हो रही है. You will remove the AR by O, A, amos, eyes. You will go on. ठीक है? So that is called your regular verb होंगे. Irregular में क्या होता है? Sometimes E changes to I, sometimes O changes to UE. That we will do in the next video. Today we just revise the regular verbs so that you will have a good command on that. Now you will learn some regular verbs as well. So just write it down till here. Then I'll go with the next step. So now moving on with the examples. You can see the three examples over on the board. So first example is hablar. Hablar means to speak, to talk. So hablar is the AR ending verb. You will replace this AR with the O, as, a, amos, eyes. As you can see, I have replaced this AR with the O, as, a, amos, eyes, and. Okay. So hablo, yo hablo means I speak. Yo means I, hablar means to speak or to talk. So I speak. Tu hablas means, él habla means he speaks. Ella habla means she speaks. And usted habla is you speak in a formal way. Nosotros, nosotras hablamos, we speak. Vosotros, vosotras, habláis, you also. You have ellos, ellas, hablan, that means they speak in a formal. Okay, so you all speak in a formal way. Now coming on the ER ending verb, I have written the example. Comer means to eat, खाना. Yo como means I eat, मैं खाता हूँ. Tu comes means you eat. El come means he eats, वो खाता है. Ella come means she eats. Usted come means you eat in a formal way. Then nosotros, nosotras comemos, we eat. Vosotros, vosotras coméis, you all eat. Ellos, ellas comen, that means they eat. Ustedes comen, that means you all eat. Now coming on the last example here, vivir. Vivir means IR ending verb, that means to live. Now you will remove this IR with the O, is, A, imos, is, in. So yo vivo, tú vives, ella, usted vive, nosotros, nosotras vivimos, ellos, ellas vivís, and then the last you have vosotros, vosotras vivís, and ellos, ellas viven. I live, you live, he, she lives, then we live, you all live, they live. Now you can see the similarity here. You just remove the IR with the O, is, with the O, is, A, amos, is. So that's how the things goes on. So that is a regular verb. What will you do in regular verb? You just remove the ending and you just put O, as, a, amos, is, an. ये होती है regular verbs. कुछ भी change नहीं हुआ, सिर्फ AR को हटाया या ER को हटाया या IR को हटाया और अपनी conjugation put कर दी. ठीक है? This is called very simple and this is very easy to conjugate. ये होती है regular verbs. So now you understood regular verbs. So what is regular verbs? Which follows the same pattern. You will remove the AR, ER, IR and just put O, as, a, amos. That is regular verb. Now coming on, what will you do after after learning conjugation? What is the use of learning conjugation? Now you are able to make sentences. Okay. Now you can use these verbs to make subject, verb, then object. So this is kind of formula for me. I don't know what you want to say. So subject, verb, object. Now how will you use it? I will tell you a few examples. The present indefinite sentences in English you can call it. For example, I speak English. This is my sentence. I speak English. Now how will I change this in Spanish? I is yo. So I put yo here. Now you know speak is hablar. Okay, you know speak को हम hablar बोलते हैं, but यो के साथ conjugate कैसे करेंगे? It's hablo. Hablo. Yo hablo. I speak. English in Spanish is English. Yo hablo English. I speak English. This is my first sentence. Very simple. Subject आया, verb को conjugate करा, verb को conjugate according to the subject करेंगे, then English. Yo hablo English. Now the another sentence. For example, take any verb, take any subject. She speaks Spanish. So she is ella. Ella लिखा. अब hablar, you know, again this is hablar verb. Now how will you conjugate hablar with ella? You will remove this ar and you will put a. So habla. Spanish is español. Ella habla español. That means she speaks Spanish. That's why it is very important that you will learn conjugation. So first of all, you have to learn the conjugation of verbs. Only then you will go further to make sentences or anything else. So the first step in the language, you have to learn the conjugation and you should learn it. It should be on your tips. O, as, a, amos, is, an. And you should be clear about the subject pronouns as well. Then only you will be able to create sentences. And if you're not understanding, let me know in the comment section. Just WhatsApp me what are you not understanding. Okay. So I speak English. Yo hablo English. Yo hablo English. Very simple. She speaks Spanish. Ella habla español. Or él habla español. He speaks Spanish. Whatever the sentence can be. I hope this is clear to you. With the AR ending verb, the sentences are clear to you. Now I'm giving an example for ER ending verb. So for example, we have conjugated verb called comer, that means to eat. Now if I want to make sentence like I eat ice cream. I eat ice cream. So I is yo, como helado. This is H. Okay. Yo como helado. Helado ka H is always silent. So yo como helado. That means I eat ice cream. I eat ice cream. Yo como helado. They eat apple. They eat apple. Ellos comen manzana. Ellos comen manzana. Comen आएगा because I'm using ellos. It will change. Okay. So if I say any singular person, Vansh come manzana. वंश के साथ कोमे आएगा क्योंकि वंश इज अ सिंगुलर पर्सन. एल ए या स्टेट में आता है, थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर. सो वंश कोमे मानसाना. वंश कोमे मानसाना. एयोस के साथ कोमेन आएगा बिकॉज एयोस के साथ en आता है. सो वी विल रिप्लेस बाय ar बाय एन. कोमेन. Here we will replace by a. Come. Why? Because Vansh is a singular person. Singular person as a third person. So come. Elia होते. He, she, it में आता है. So Vansh come mansana. This example we have it. We have done verb called vivir. That means to live. I live in Delhi. So I is yo. Then vivo. I live in Delhi. So the last example, we have done vivir. Vivir is to live. So yo is I, vivo, in, then Delhi is Delhi. So yo vivo in Delhi. Yo vivo in Delhi. Yo vivo in Gurugram. So yo vivo in Delhi. Yo vivo in Gurugram. Yo vivo in Noida. Whatever the places. Okay. So this is the subject. Then the verb. Here I have used this in because I live in some place. Nah? I live in Dwarka. I live in Delhi. So there's some place. So in is for that. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me personally. So that's it for today. Now you all will make your own sentences. Very simple sentences. Not so long. Not anything. Very short and simple sentences in Spanish. With the regular verbs. So do that and we'll see you in the live session. Till then, bye. Others everyone.